Hey there everyone, today we are on the Emerald Princess. We are on deck 9, which is a passenger cabin deck. And we're about to show you where your cabin is in relationship to stairs and elevators. Excuse me everybody. Now if you haven't seen one of our videos like this before, I can't turn the camera for you to see every door. If I did, well, you get seasick. So we are going to use fingers to point out the doors and call out the numbers. Now do us a huge favor. When you see your door, your cabin, leave a comment below and let us know when you're sailing on the Emerald Princess. Now normally we would have started back there, but you can't wrap all the way around on this deck, so we're coming down here. So there's an emergency exit. You got cabin 737, 735, and we're off. 733, 731, 2927 crew door, 2527 crew, 725, 723, I think I said 727.
You did?
This is not a passenger cabin, it's a crew cabin, which is strange to have it there, but it is there. 721, 19, 17, 15. 711, 709, 707. And this is right where we started at the rear elevators and stairs. 703, 701, 633, crew door. 631, 629, 27, 25, crew door, 23, crew door, 21, crew door, 19, 17, 15, 611, 609, 607, 605, 603, 601, and jumping to the 500s, 529, 527, 523, 525. Did I say 520? I said 523, didn't I?
You did.
Horrible, I'm tired. 527, 525, thank you. My continuity advisor back there. 23, 21, 19. That's 517, 515, 511, 509, 507, 505, 503. It's hard for me to even see the numbers. 501, there's a bit of a noise here. I'm not sure if you can hear it. Access to midship elevators. Okay, we are jumping down to 400s. 425, another entrance to elevators and stairs here in the midship. 423, 421, again 423 and 421, 419, 417, in the main entrance to the midship elevators and stairs. 415, 411, crew door, 409, 407, 405, 403, crew door, 401, jumping to 329, 327, 325, 323, 321, 319, 317, 315, 311, crew door, 309, 307, 305, 303, forward elevators and stairs. 301, jumping to the 200s, but first there's a secondary access to elevators and stairs. 231, 229, 227, 225, crew door. 223, 221, 219, 217, 215, 211, 209, 207, 205, 201, 203, yeah, sorry, again, 205, 203, I was always looking up here. 201. That's an interesting way to store it. Good for them. Into the 100s. 121. 123. Crew door. 119, 117, 115. 111, 109, 107, 105, 103, 101, crew door. And it says we can get to the port side from here. So let's see if we can cross over. Crew door, which doesn't really matter. Yes, we can. Another crew door. All right, here we go. 102. 104, 106, 108, 110, 112, 14, 16, 18, crew door. 120, 202, 204, 206, 208, 210, crew door. 212, 214, 216, 218, 220, 222, crew door. 24, 26, 28, 230, 32, 34, 36, entrance to elevators and stairs. 300s, 302, 304. Here again is your forward elevators and stairs, the main entrance, okay? 308, 310, crew door. 312, 314, 316, 318, 320, 322, 324, 326, 328, 330, crew door, 332, 402. 404, 406, 408, 410, crew door, 412, 414. Here's the main entrance to midship elevators and stairs. 416, 418, 420, 422. Secondary entrance to midship elevators and stairs. 424 going to 502. Crew door. 504, 506, 508, 510, 12, 14, and 16, 18, 20, 522, 524, 526, 528, 530, crew door, 602, jumping into the 600s, 604, 606, 608, 610, 612, 614, 16, 18, crew door, 20, 22, crew door, 24, crew door, 26, 628, 630, 632, crew door, 700s, 702, 704, 706. Here is your rear elevators and stairs. 8, 710, 712, 14, 16, 18, 20. Laundromat. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, crew door, 34, 36 with Grammy and Grumpy. And another crew door. All right, everybody. So there is your deck 9. Now, again, we couldn't go 360 because we couldn't walk around the back of the ship, but hopefully you saw your cabin. Again, let us know in the comments below that you saw your cabin and when you're sailing here on the Emerald Princess. And until we see you again on one of the next decks or the next ship, be safe.